Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to install Xcode on Mac. So with that being said, let's get started. If you want to develop application for Apple devices like macOS, iOS, iPadOS, then you can use Xcode IDE. To install it, simply open Apple App Store. If you don't get Apple App Store on your dog, then you can simply search for Apple App Store. Open it. And here on the search option, search for Xcode. From the search result, simply select Xcode, then click on Get button. Now click on Install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, you can simply click on Open button, or else you can simply open it from the Launchpad. For that, click on Launchpad. Here we have the Xcode. Simply open it. Accept the license agreement by clicking on Agree button. Enter your system password. Select the component you want to get started with. So currently I'm just going to develop macOS software. I'll simply select macOS. If you want to develop application for other Apple devices, you can simply select the required option. After that, click on Download and Install and wait for the installation process to complete. Once it gets installed, simply click on Relaunch Xcode. Now here click on Continue. Now you are ready to create project with Xcode. So that's it. This is how you can install Xcode on macOS. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.